Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your ramen incredibly creamy. First, begin with a robust broth, whether it's chicken, pork, or vegetable-based, as this forms the foundation of your dish. To achieve that desired velvety texture, consider adding about 1/4 cup of whole milk, heavy cream, or a plant-based alternative like oat milk. A small pat of butter, around 1 tablespoon, can also be whisked in to help emulsify the broth, creating a smoother, richer mouthfeel for your delicious ramen. Next, let's explore some excellent thickening agents. For a truly luxurious and silky finish, slowly whisk in 1 beaten egg yolk into your hot broth, ensuring it doesn't scramble. Alternatively, a simple cornstarch slurry, made with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water, can be stirred into the simmering broth until it thickens to your liking. You can also blend about 1/2 cup of cooked potato or butternut squash directly into the broth for natural body. To elevate both the creaminess and flavor, consider these additions. A generous spoonful, about 1 tablespoon, of white or red miso paste not only adds a profound umami depth, but also contributes to a thicker consistency. Surprisingly, 1 slice of American cheese can melt seamlessly into the hot broth, providing an instant, smooth creaminess. For a unique twist, whisk in about 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter for a rich, nutty, and wonderfully thick texture. Finally, let's refine your technique for the perfect creamy ramen. Always simmer your broth gently. This allows the flavors to deepen and the broth to naturally reduce and thicken slightly. When adding fats or dairy, vigorously whisk the broth to ensure proper emulsification, preventing separation and creating a uniform, smooth texture. Remember to serve your creamy ramen immediately after preparation to savor its optimal warmth and delightful, rich consistency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.